Dear students, today's lecture is personality development and social responsibility in the light of Surah al-Asr. This surah or chapter number 103 of Quran tells us about the position of man in this universe. Surah al-Asr contains a dynamic message for personality development of a Muslim and also for all humankind. Imam Shafi'i said, if one followed the injunctions of Surah al-Asr, it would be enough for the whole humankind to achieve success in this life. According to Surah al-Asr, Allah has sworn that all humans are in loss, but there is an exemption for those who have the following four characteristics. What are those characteristics? Number one, those who have the faith in the oneness of God, which means the unity of one God. The unity of one God is one of the fundamental characteristics of a Muslim. And the second characteristic is that a person who has a faith in the unity of God is doing the right deeds. That means the righteous deeds is also a characteristic of a person. Number three, the third is the mutual encouragement of truth. وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ. And mutually they encourage the Muslims, the believers encourage each other in truth. And the four, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ, and when the time comes, they make mutual encouragement of patience. In the time of calamity, in problems, in difficulties. So these are the four fundamental characteristics for which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has shown that the whole humankind is in loss, but except those people who have the exemption, who have these four qualities, they will be successful. They will be getting the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this life and also in the next life. Now this verse of Quran in very simple words is a divine guidance in Surah al-Asr, which tells us how to live our entire lives. There are numerous books and tens and thousands of words which cannot say as much as is contained in these three short verses. Now I will give you a small conclusion of these, and then you can read by yourself the rest of this lecture, and you will see the conclusion of this Surah al-Asr means the time is an important asset in human life. The time is an important asset, a wealth of human life. And this time and wealth, if one loses out, it expends out, then it will never come back. And the second conclusion of Surah, or the message of Surah al-Asr, is that it is a straight path, إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, a roadmap for success. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. And those who follow these four attributes, or they will be successful on this road of success given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It means, in other words, individual success and the success in this world in the shape of civilization and the community life. Thank you very much.